Hey guys, so this is my first video in 3 months, so I'm excited to get back into it. There are a lot of reasons why I haven't made a video in 3 months. I've been getting into photography a lot this past year, and so we've been really busy the last 3 months, and I took a job actually as a product photographer. And I signed a contract with them saying that I wouldn't sell anything while working for them. So that was like the biggest reason that I haven't been making any like flipping videos, but I am excited to get back into it. We are at Lowe's right now and we are going to pick up some spray paint and other paint, and I need a paintbrush because I also moved in the last couple of months and I don't know where any of my stuff is. So I'm excited to get back into it, and we'll do some shopping around and then we will flip a dresser. So yeah, let's get started.